Kilimanjaro frame. And this is my scooter check. My first actually all threadless complete. It's really nice. I like it a lot. Starting from the top, just kidding. I got a green
MGP.
MGP peg with green MGP wheel. Black on green spoke. I like them a lot. They're really nice. Custom grip tape by me. We got some triangles. We got Northwest. So I'm from there. Bones bearings. My favorite bearings. Epic scooter parts. And a square, a diamond, a triangle, exclamation point. Yeah, that's just my grip tape. And I got a Neff sticker. Reppin' Neff beanies. They're fucking legit. Envy AOS deck. They're really nice for pegless tricks. MGP clamp, Envy headset, MGP forks, another black on green MGP wheel with the black MGP peg with the devil or she devil bars. Look at that chick. Look, she's hella like, straight up. That's badass. I got a devil in my forks. Like devil bars, MGP. They're nice. I don't really like this part, but they're really nice bars. I like them a lot. They're 22 high by 20 or 21 high by 22 wide. ODS softies. Feel these cameraman. How soft?
Yeah. Oh, you already know what we gonna do. Hey. Well, if you guessing it's me, you guessed correctly. I just say with a stallion, you would swear I wasn't equestrian. I'm a hitter with that pipe.